Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have the phone, carrier info, and connection. Start now. First, confirm your device is unlocked and supports eSIM, then open Settings and go to the Cellular or Mobile Plans area. Use Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions. Scan the carrier QR code or choose Add Cellular Plan and enter the activation code. While adding, watch for profile names and confirm the correct IMEI. Once added, set the eSIM as primary or secondary depending on your use. Make sure not to skip the verification step that carriers. Once the profile downloads, proceed through prompts to install and activate. This is where carriers often require confirmation. You should label the plan so you can distinguish it later and choose which line handles voice versus data. If you plan to travel, enable data roaming now, otherwise toggle it off to avoid charges. After configuration, make a quick call or open a web page to confirm connectivity. If the status shows activating, wait a minute and restart the phone to force the profile to finalize. To finish, verify that SMS, calls, and mobile data function correctly. Open a browser and send a test message. If data is absent, check APN settings and ensure the profile is set as the data line. Once satisfied, remove the physical SIM only if you intend to rely solely on eSIM. If activation still fails, note any error codes and contact your carrier with your IMEI and the profile ID. They can push the profile or reset provisioning. One key tip: toggling airplane mode can trigger a final network registration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.